Childline is a free 24-hour confidential helpline for children and young people in the UK. Its trained counselors advise children with different problems every day. There can be bullying, family problems, a problem of finding a shelter for homeless children, or just talking to children who feel alone. Those who have already been given help from Childline ask others to get involved into this useful activity. Different people want to volunteer as a child counselor or to raise money to pay the phone calls bills. If there are those who care about others, further thousands of children will get help every day.